Welcome back, everyone. This is Frank Whiskey Charlie Zero Oscar. This is the Baofeng UV-21 Pro. Got this a few years ago, maybe 2 years ago. I have this Luton NA320A antenna, which is nice and long. Now, I want to show you how to reset this radio. Turn it on. Nice and colored screen. If you press menu, it tells you where you're at, what menu number. It's 00, and it just goes back to the screen here. I press menu again and type 42. Takes you to the reset. You can reset the VFO or all. Okay, let's press on menu again. Press menu one more time. Now this is blinking. Go to all. Press the OK button. Are you sure? OK. And it resets.
Welcome. Channel mode.
Fortunately, it doesn't change it to the Chinese voice or the Chinese characters. If you press menu.
Menu.
I don't know if it's 17. Is it 17? Yeah, 17. It's for voice. Press OK. Turn it off. Press OK.
Confirm.
Confirm. That's right. And it'll go away. And now it's not going to talk to you. How do I know this is the UV-21 Pro? Well, one thing you can do is take off the battery with the screw here, and it'll tell you in the back of the radio. This one's USB-C charged. It has a lot of features, and as you know, some of these features are not documented. But this is a great emergency radio that I can have in the car. Sometimes I forget my VX6 that's charging at my house. Okay, so that's how you reset the Baofeng UV-21 Pro.